Hi guys, in this one we're just going to quickly show you how to add Upschema or push Upschema to a HTML website, whether it be cloud, Wix or any other platform which allows you to add a code in the header. It's HTML code. So I'm just going to use a free platform. I'm in the members area of UpTools, and what I'm going to do is just go to my Upschema tool, and you'll see here sites and add a site. Okay, and now this will look different to you from previous versions. So if you're just doing the old way, upload the plugin to WordPress and pull the API, you're going to tick this box and do it exactly like the other videos. But in this video I'm going to show you how to add to any site. You can also add this to to WordPress websites as well, not just HTML. The code just goes into the header of the theme and it will work in WordPress as well. Okay, so we're going to give the site a name, push test site. Yeah. Now we need a URL for the website, and then we can also add a sitemap as well if we have one. So just for training, I'm just going to quickly go to the platform that I'm using. It's this one. This is going to be the same all round for every HTML site. Okay, so in this one we want to go to project settings. So some of the platforms like Wix, you'll have to put it in the header and find custom code. Some of them you'll put it in a different area, but it has to go in the header if you want to control the whole site. You can push it per page, but that will just be a long procedure. I'm going to do custom code, and that is the header of this website. So I'm just going to grab the code, Control V, so I've pasted the code in, save my changes, and now I can take the URL of this website. So I'll just go back to the site and publish it, and then take the URL into Upschema. So I'm just going to quickly publish that and I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's been published, and I've got a website URL here. So it's just a free site. I've just called it test HTML push. I'm going to take this into Upschema, paste the URL here. I've given it a title, and that's the name of the site. I'm going to save that. Site stored successfully. Now I can push some schema to it, so I'm going to go to all sites. It's this top one here, so I'm just going to press. Now we can choose which schema we want to push to the website or the page. I'm just going to push this one, the entity one. Here we're going to choose what page we want. So this will be the home page, and then if you want to push to a whole section like the blog section, I would do blog / and end with an asterisk. That will go to the whole section. If I want to push to just a page, it will be whatever the name of the page is in the URL. For this training, I'm going to push to just the home page, so I'm going to end it there. Save and push, and now go back to the site, into my editor. I'm going to republish this again just to clear any cache. It takes a while because it's free. I'll just pause while it's updating that. Okay, that's updated, and now this URL we want to test in the validator. That's what we've pushed it to. Going to run a test on the URL, and as you can see, it's got the entity schema that I wanted for general contractors. And now this site has the code, and it's already pushed to this site. So if I had more pages, I would just go back in here, create my schema, choose the schema from down here, and then the pages will obviously come up because the code has been added now. Okay, so that's it. It was that simple. We've dumbed it down for everybody just to make it super simple for you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for this for a while, so now you can mess around with pushing schema to HTML sites. Thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.